Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 vs Range Rover Velar, which is better. Follow along as we break down performance, comfort, tech, safety, and ownership costs with clear examples and simple takeaways. I'll highlight driving feel, cargo space, infotainment ease, reliability impressions, and pricing so you can decide which suits your lifestyle without getting lost in specs. Expect honest comparisons, real-world pros and cons, and a quick buying recommendation at the end. We'll start with engines, transmissions, and ride quality to see how each model feels on real roads. The BMW tends to reward cornering with responsive steering, while the Range Rover leans into comfort and insulation for long trips. We'll cover suspension tuning, seat ergonomics, cabin noise, and how payload or passengers affect ride. I'll also note towing and off-road capability where it matters for practical owners. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video helps you decide, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful reviews. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum you see here handles daily crumbs and pet hair while you test drive cars, and it responds to voice for hands-free cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we assess interior layout, infotainment usability, and cargo practicality so you know what fits your life. The BMW often prioritizes intuitive controls and driver ergonomics, while the Range Rover Velar offers striking design and generous screen real estate. We'll test rear seat comfort, trunk dimensions with seats folded, and examine option pricing that changes total cost. I'll summarize which delivers the best tech to dollar balance for common scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.